In Python, there is a sneaky trap hiding inside function definitions. It involves default arguments, and it trips up programmers every day. Let us find out exactly what goes wrong and how to fix it. Here are the 4 ideas this video will prove. Default values are built once when Python reads the function definition, not each time you call the function. That single object is shared, so any changes stick around for the next call. Here is our program. The top half shows the broken version that uses a list as a default. The bottom half shows the correct version using none. We will trace both, so you can see exactly what Python does differently. Watch what happens. When Python first reads the function definition, it immediately creates one list and stores it as the default. Every call that skips the bag argument points to that same list. So after 2 calls, the list already holds both values, which is almost never what you want. Now trace the fixed version. The default is none, which is never a list, so each call that omits bag triggers the if block and builds a completely fresh list. The previous call is totally unaffected. Every call starts clean. Running the program makes the difference unmistakable. The broken versions list keeps growing across calls, accumulating every value ever passed in. The fixed version returns a clean 1-item list every single time. Here is the rule. Mutable defaults are created once and shared forever, which causes mutations to leak between calls. Always default to none and build the list inside the function. That one habit will save you from a very confusing class of bugs.